Hey guys, how is it going? Lightning Striker is back with another video, guys. Where today, part 3 Ferrari rebuild. And we have a lot to do and a lot of stickers to stick. So let's just get straight into it. Let's go. Okay, and so with today's setup, it is this. So it is the Ferrari in the middle. The instructions a bit further back, and a bit further up. This time not there, just there. I've got a ruler there, a pen here so that these small parts don't fall off. Quite a few pieces there, and the rest of the pieces there, and the tires and the rims are finally going on. So we are going to enjoy that. And yeah, let's just get straight on with the build. And now I'm just going to put all these spare parts away. Okay, so now it is time for the last piece of the thing, I suddenly don't know what I'm saying, of the Lego set. 3, hold on, just needs to be good. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Done. It is complete. Let's take a look at the photos first. So this is what mine looks like, luckily. Amazing. Amazing. And this is mine. And this is the car in reality. Honestly, sits way higher than I thought. It looks slightly strange that high. I think it should be like way lower. But the suspension does work. The steering does work normally. I'd say it's a bit loose. Well, that's because in my other set, I had brake calipers and they probably made it feel a bit more stiff. But apart from that, I'm jogging that down. This wheel does move, but that it is okay. I'm confused with these wheel things, with these wheel nuts. Why is there 3 extra? Then I don't know. Probably to make it easier to put on. But apart from that, take a look at the interior. And there's only one seat. There is only one seat. As this is a racing car, so it's fully stripped out. Hence the carbon on the steering wheel and dash. One seat. Literally hollow on the inside. And yeah, you can see the engine there. Close that up. And this is similar, I'd say, to the intake on the actual car. But in reality, I'd say it's pretty accurate. For me, these are a bit small, but that's probably just because that's on the actual car. This still annoys me, this random hole. And yeah, the car is now complete. And by the way, this is what the car looks like from the bottom. So you can see all of the different parts that have gone into it. This space just kind of annoys me just because in my Sion, this is all covered up. But you can see the things. Oh, and that actually triggers the things as well. Nice. Love that. Okay, so I guess this is it now. Part 3 is complete. So guys, this is unfortunately it. Subscribe down below to see other videos and hit the notification bell and next to it to get updates for when I next upload, which is in 1 week. So see you guys in my next video. Peace.